Think I'm scared of power tools. Dang right I'm scared of them. I've had one or two near misses with power tools, but there we go. Anyway, I went in the shop today and I asked for a lame de scie circulaire, and they said, oh, we only sell them in packs of 3. So here I am with 3 Cirkelzackbladen, or Carbureau de Tungsteno Pack de 3. Yeah, fantastic. I shall chuck them, well, I should chuck one of them on the saw, and who knows, I might even do some cutting later on. Oh, look at that, choice of 3. Just for the record, I'm not asking for donations, but just for the record, these were £19 something or another for the 3 blades. So that's not too sad, is it? But I've got a horrible feeling that these were made in that favourite country of ours, somewhere the other side of Suez. But still, as long as they get me out of trouble and do this job.